Turn a ring today. Bob wanted to see how that was done, so we're gonna turn one up. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, I found a piece of cocoa bolo. I went ahead and drilled a 5/8 inch hole down the center of it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pin chuck again to turn it, and we're just gonna go ahead and slide it on and then turn it up. Alright, locks in. I'm gonna bring the tailstock up just to support it a little bit and true it up. See if we can't get a few of them out of this. Okay, I'm just going to slide the back over and lock that in a little bit. It wouldn't work with the rest of it on there. So we'll just do it like this. I think if you were going to make a lot of these, because they vary in size so much, I would use a tapered dowel. Maybe not wood, but steel, or a tapered rod. That way you could, you know, for smaller fingers, start at the end and then just work your way up into you know, this size. I don't know, my hands are pretty big, so I don't know what the average size is, but I don't think this is probably the best way, the pin chuck. It's basically just one size. Go ahead and bring it down quite a bit. It's pretty thick. Okay, let's go ahead and sand that up. The pin chuck, you can't get in right there, so I'm going to bust that little bit off. Spin it around a little bit. Okay, we'll just sand it up. I am almost out of wax, so I'm going to show you real quick. Back that up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Okay. I am out of wax, so I picked this up at Woodcraft the other day. That's what it is. Crystal clear paste wax. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of it into here, and then I'm gonna mix it with some mineral oil, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. That's what my little slurry that I sand with all the time. All right, I'm just gonna scoop some of it out and put it into the other container so that I can get some mineral oil in with it. I do use beeswax too sometimes. Just it's handy. I don't put, it's not 50-50, or actually put a little bit less of the mineral oil in. Actually, probably quite a bit less of the mineral oil in than I do the wax, because I don't want it too soupy. It sprays up on the camera. So, that's good. And this is just mineral oil. I have it in a little jug. You can buy it at pretty much anywhere. Just, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a cup or so. Maybe a little bit more. I'm not going to get real technical here. Then I just mix it up. Looks like mashed potatoes. There we go. That's all there is to it. It's just a wax and mineral oil mixture. I did used to sand, basically just with the mineral oil, but it was spraying up onto the camera, so I started using the wax. And then I saw another guy online was mixing it with the wax, and so I tried that, and that works out great. So thanks for that idea. All right, let's go ahead and sand it up. Let's turn your lathe speed back down and. And it doesn't take much, especially something small like this, just, not just with a wax finish on it right there. There you go. I'm just cleaning up the inside with some 400, cleaning up that edge there. It's not so sharp. And there you go. I think, like I said, if you were going to do a few of these, I would definitely use a tapered dowel. It would go, that way you could do different sizes, and it would go probably a lot faster too. This just isn't really set up for it, but it worked. Just put a little bit of finish on the inside, and there you have it.